In this video, I'll show you how to back up and restore Steam games safely in 2026, something you should always do before modding. Open up Steam, right click on the game you like to back up and select Properties and go to Install Files and select Backup Game Files. Select the Browse option and select the location where you want to save this game files and select. This gonna save in C drive. Select Create Backup option. Once this backup complete, select this close option and now you can check whether it back up your game folder. As you can see, it is successfully backed up. Now I'll show you guys how to restore your game files. If something goes wrong after installing mods, just right click on the game and select manage and select uninstall and select uninstall option. Once you uninstalled the game, select the Steam on the top and select restore game backup. Select the browse option and select the GTA 4 backup folder and select folder option. Select restore backup. Select the install option. And as you can see, it restoring from backup. Once this done, select the download option and it will download like 1% and go to the backup folder. As you can see, still you have the backup. By using this method, you don't need to afraid to install mods. If anything goes wrong, you can easily restore a game without downloading it again. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.